Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. Dean Lewis, a great performer, singer, songwriter, and he performs Seconds Before the Sunrise. Beautiful song. Let's go into this one. Cape on first, absolute best scenario to match up with the sound. Now we have a couple of chords, I believe 5 different chords, so let's start with those. We're going to start with A minor, open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have the G at 11, so you keep that first fret B string finger, the index finger, from the A minor, you go over to this position. So third E, second A, open D, open G, first B, and third E. Then we have the C G. So that will be third E, third A, second D, open G, still that first B, and open E. Then we have the F C. So that is third A, third D, second G, first B, and then open E or first E. It's optional. This will be the actual chord, but sometimes it works very well, as in this song, with this open E string as well. So that will technically be an F major 7/C, but yeah, we'll call it FC. And then finally, we have the standard C chord, and that will be third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And you see the pattern here. We keep that first fret B string throughout the entire song. Okay, so that index finger will be glued there. So let's go into the strumming, and we handle it with A minor first, since that is the starting chord. You're gonna play like this. So it's one down, and then down, up, down, up. That's it. So okay, so we're ready for the first verse. You're gonna play A minor 3, G at 1, C G4. You play it for 2 times. Two rounds of that, then into the pre-chorus at 24 seconds in. You're gonna play the F C 2, A minor 2, G add 2, then C1 and G add 1. Then you're gonna play F C 2, A minor 2, and G add 4. Let's do it together. And that takes us to the chorus that starts about 40 seconds in, seconds before sunrise. That's where we want the lyrics. You're gonna play 3 rounds of F C 2, C2, A minor 2, and G add 2. 3 rounds of that, and that is the first round. Second round now, you're gonna play 3 rounds of the verse play. And then you jump over this pre-chorus. You don't play that in the second round, and then you go into the chorus and play in the same way 3 rounds of the same play we just learned. After that comes the bridge part at 1 minute and 52 seconds in. What you're gonna play here now is to play F C2, A minor 2, C2, and G add 2. 4 rounds of that, and after that you're gonna go into the third and final chorus, play that for 4 rounds, and that, my friends, is how you handle it. Yeah, Dean Lewis, a great artist, like I said, performs guitar songs, so obviously a great match if you want to learn guitar and play simple chords with that cape on first. Yeah, no brainer. So have fun with this one. Hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, feel free to support me here on Gruvgear Guitar. Thank you so much. Play tuned.